Hello, this is Martijn van Modegom. I'm from Avonic. I'm the product manager, and we're a company that produces high-quality PTZ cameras for commercial installations. Today I want to focus on the camera right here. This is the CM40 camera. This is our brand new designed camera. It's very affordable, starting from $799 for our video conferencing camera. It features a USB 2.0 output. And we have one as well with HDMI, SDI and USB simultaneously, and this one is featured at €1,499 list price. So you have a very high quality camera. It features the Panasonic chipset in there, so you know that it produces a very clear image, and it's a very accurate image. This will be released in the coming months. Stock is expected probably sometime Q2 this year. Once it's available, we'll definitely get you up to speed. You can find more information on our website. It's www.avonic.eu.